Okay.
Yeah. And this thing works right now, uh, and I'm not sure of the future. but but the biggest problem that I had with this, and my biggest challenges, I'll just show you. I had to return. My biggest problem was how to just print this board.
Okay.
Yeah. Number one challenge was how to make this board.
Hmm.
Number two challenge was, will this board be reused again?
Hmm.
And how am I going to proceed with the different moves, the updated moves? So that was the thing. And my third challenge was how to move the marks, the point where
Yeah.
you want, how to move it. So these three were the biggest. And after that is all just patterns and all.
So, what in all functions you are using and how you are segregating all the functions in the code? I can see there is a print board. So, I've created a different function, separate function,
Yeah.
and there is a game
Actually,
also.
I have just created, first of all, I have created a directory,
Hmm.
which actually separates my board numbers with a different, with single space
Hmm.
character. And then I have just created a code so that I can print it every time I update my moves.
So, you created a dictionary. You are saying that you have created a global dictionary. So,
Yeah.
using that, okay, fine. And what? So, how did you play the game?
Should I run it
Yes.
or first the working?
Yes. First, make run that. Wow.
So this is the first thing.
Hmm.
I guess you are able to see it.
Yes, yes. It's your turn X where you want to mark.
Yeah.
So,
So let we both play
all right.
where you want to mark.
So where I want to mark in the first row, second column.
Here. Here,
First,
sorry, here.
yeah.
So this is number 8. So it is 8.
So how the
And
first person will know that's a number 8?
actually, it has been just programmed with the number words. The how our number pad is in the
Okay.
keyboard.
Okay. So you could have given that description in the, like, in a printf statement, in a print statement, you could have given the description like that. कि दिस ब्लॉक एक ऐसा ब्लॉक बना देते जिसमें ये 8 है तो वो इजी रहता है प्लेयर के लिए.
एक्चुअली मैंने मतलब हाँ, ये थॉट मेरे दिमाग में इसलिए नहीं आया क्योंकि मैं अ, शुरू से ही कीबोर्ड इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. सो आई हैव विद मी प्रिंटेड नंबर पैड हियर. सो आई थॉट
अच्छा,
या.
अभी रिफाइन होना बचा है कोड का. ठीक है, चलो वो ऐड कर देना, अच्छा लगेगा. हाँ, फिर.
And if I just play my move with number 1, next.
That's number one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I want to put in number 7.
Yes. Next.
5.
5. I will just put it in 3. Yes, please. You have won, actually. But for the sake of doing
Two, two, two,
for the sake of doing,
two.
yes, the game is over. The game is won by X.
Yeah.
So the
So
thing is,
it's going in the loop
that
till you exit, you say no, and it will exit from the game.
Yeah.
So can I
If
come
I
back?
play, if,
Can I come back
yeah,
to
we
the
can
code?
play. Yeah, sure.
Huh.
Uh,
So you can go down to the game function. Print board I understood. In the game function, you're using if. Okay, I can see you're using comments also.
yeah.
If else. You can go down, further down.
There are these different combinations.
Hmm.
Each diagonal, the from the top rows, from the bottom rows.
So what was the process of thinking for you? Like how did you started thinking when you are making all this process? Like did you learn all the test cases? Aryan gave you a reaction of wow. I know he really fascinates all these things.
Actually, how I got this into patterns, I had a pretty idea about patterns.
Okay.
How am I going to just print those patterns,
Hmm.
that, but the thing was, how am I going to implement it
Mm-hmm.
with this, because initially I had no clue about how to use a dictionary with this board and
Yeah.
this pattern,
Yeah.
that I'll be going to use 951 or 753 with these dictionary and all. So I just kind of searched it, how to do this printing first of all. But while using the printing of the board, I got this idea that I should use dictionary.
Hmm.
And I told you in the morning I was having some bugs and all.
Yeah.
After that, I had actually messaged my brother. He's
Hmm.
in he's in US. So so he just helped me a bit because he was doing his office. So he was like, "Why are you calling me this and that? I'm in office and all." So after a bit of that, he helped me that do this. It's
You,
kind of it's kind of unfair. I won't say that,
it's not
but
unfair. It's just it's a war. But it's okay. You took help because you knew someone. Otherwise,
yeah, he's a Python specialist and all, ML deep learning and all.
Mhm. That's
So
brilliant. So I really enjoyed your work. Aditya, do you have any query?
Ayush, can you please bit up your code so I can see the what are the imports you have done on that project?
just a second,
Imports.
sir. Can you just speak a bit louder?
Just move your code upwards so I can see how what are the libraries you imported in the project.
No libraries.
Is there any libraries?
There are no libraries.
What are the printed boards?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. This is I have created uh, a printed board, sir. To print the board, I have created this one, a function.
Okay, okay. You designed the pattern. You designed the board section, huh?
Sir, I'm not able to hear you well.
You designed the section for that.
Yes, sir. To
Okay.
print it
One
every
more.
print it every time while updating every move, we will have to print it again. So that's why I have just created a different functions so that I can just print it again.
Okay. It's pretty cool and it looks awesome. Just one thing I have to include in this.
Yes,
But if I enter the number more than 9 or 11, what will going to happen?
sir. It will show an error, I guess.
Uh,
Let's just do
uh,
it. Let's do this. Yes, it will show an error.
for that, in the better code in
Yeah, yeah.
establishment.
Actually, there are many mistakes. First of all, the description key,
Hmm,
which column has which number corresponding to which I can print my moves. And
uh,
second is this one,
hmm.
that if someone just uh, type different, yeah,
Hmm.
right, you're right.
Not an issue. This is a like this is an awesome project you have done over here. and I by the project I believe that you learned a lot from here.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so uh,
Actually, like Aryan, I also started learning very early.
oh, not an issue. One more question I have to ask for you.
Yes. Yes.
So, what is your looking forward to? Like, how do you increase the project implementation? Like, how you can enhance the project, this
Sir,
project?
with this particular project,
Yes.
uh, no, these functionalities can be just increased, and we can add some descriptions. And
Hmm.
if we if we play, if we just give more thought, we can also make it more aesthetic to look.
Like, you if
Like,
you are looking forward to creating creating a more sections, like you go for a Sudoku or something else.
okay,
That's what I am asking. Are you looking forward to expand this project?
uh, I'm not quite sure.
Can you create a gameplay? Can you add more, can add graphics to it? Can you do that, like
Yes.
front end, something like that?
Yeah, actually, currently I don't know about it, how to add graphics and all. But yeah, if I get to learn it, I will surely. Surely, there is no doubt.
Okay.
There's no doubt.
Okay. Not an issue.
Vision.
Just just
It's
keep
about
learning because
vision. Yeah.
yes, just keep learning because after that you can enhance the skills and understand more about the Python. Like if you for the better thoughts, I can give you the thought that use try catch in most of your projects. Try and catch.
Exception. We
So
didn't allow exception now.
uh,
Exception handling.
exception handling should be there in most of your functions,
Okay.
which is a good code to do. That's what I want to like include in a project. Everything else is good and like
Thank you, sir.
fantastic.
Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Ayush. That was brilliant. And whom we can have next?
Should I go next?
Of course, of course. Ganga is here. Hello, Ganga. You're so late.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
So, ma'am, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So, I have done the project in collaboration with Balwinder. He's not here right now. I don't know why he's not here. Maybe due to some reasons. So,
Mhm.
we have made a game on number guessing, a number guessing game. So, in the game, we took the user input to enter the limit, like in between what range the player would like to play the game, and then we have proceeded our code where the computer will choose a number randomly, and the player will have to choose between the given range. So after, and to make it a little bit more challenging, we have also introduced count, which is equal to 5, and this will give the number of chances that a player has to make the guesses. And then we have put on a while loop where the computer will check the conditions that if the number is lower, then it will print think higher number and the count will be reduced. So the major problem that we faced in this code was putting the scorecard, displaying the scorecard, because we wanted the score to get reduced for every wrong guess,
Hmm.
and so that was a little bit tricky, and hence I asked you the same
Yeah.
my query yesterday as well. So we tried our best. This project might has a lot of errors in it, but me and my partner tried our best to put in our best efforts in this project. So should I just run the project?
Yes, yes, yes.
So first of all, it's asking our name,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's saying enter a lower limit. So I'll just put 1 as lower limit and 10 as upper limit.
Okay.
And we have only 5 guesses. So I pick a random number like 5. It says guess is low, think higher number. So I go for 8. It still says higher number, and then 10. So the score here is 2 because um, 3 guesses were wrong. So out of total guesses, that is 5. 3 were wrong. So 5 minus 3, we get the score that is 2.
Okay.
So this is how the whole game will work.
Mhm.
And we can also increase the range if we want to.
Okay, that's a user input that you have done. That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So what were the hurdle like you told already? So how did you try to overcome? You said there were a lot of bugs. So what were the bugs you were thinking to come? Like, thinking to get.
Ma'am, we tried over and over again. At first, like here, we have put score equals to 0.
Hmm.
Because we were at the back of our mind, we had the vision that we want the score to get reduced. We
Hmm.
put it equal to -1, but
Hmm.
it gave different outputs.
Right,
So
right.
at first, we were going with it only, but then suddenly our mind clicked up and we made some changes, and we get the correct output that we wanted, that we thought before putting it onto the paper, onto the screen.
So
And
how this
then
score is working? Can you work on that? Like when the loop is running, so
yes, ma'am.
you guess the number, your program is started. My guess is less than equals to 0. So you gave a number and how the score is really
Yes,
counting.
ma'am. It is counting when we'll come into the loop. If the guess is less than number,
Hmm.
then it will tell us that think higher number, and the count will get reduced.
Hmm.
Count is equal to 5. We have already given the definite value that it is 5. There
Hmm.
are 5 number of guesses, and जैसे जैसे the player will make a guess, the count will get reduced by 1.
Hmm.
So this is the whole process that is going on
But the
in this
score
loop,
is 0.
particular loop.
Score will stay 0. So how the score
Yes,
is
ma'am.
changing?
Ma'am, here it is changing here that score plus equals to count. We
Okay,
have
okay.
added
Okay.
count.
Okay, in the end. Okay, fine. When the
Yes,
loops,
ma'am.
आप जब जीत जाओगे in the end. Okay, you could have given much
Yes,
more
ma'am.
comments with that. So, okay, cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool, cool, cool. Aditya, do you want to take over? She hasn't created. You had used a random library, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. We have used random function here to for the computer to input random number to
Random
pick up
input.
random number.
Yeah, random library.
Yes.
We are using a random input. And LNU is from the user input. Brilliant.
But yes, ma'am.
Hmm. For me, it's all right. Amazing.
Hello,
Yes, you are audible.
hello. Sajpreet, I just have a one question for you.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the initial thought which is come in your mind before this creating this project?
So we thought to make it a bit more challenging. I played a game in that limit was already given that between the user can enter guess a number between 1 to 20 only,
Mm.
and there was no scorecard. I played the game, so I had a few things in mind that I have to try to put them. So we did it, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome.
Yeah, create a web app of this web app, really. You created so many. This is the add-on features you have.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Create
ma'am.
a
I've also thought of a bit more thing, but unfortunately, I was not able to put it. We were not able to put it at this time. I
no
wanted
problem.
the attempts to be according to the range that the user inputs, but we were not able to come up with the logic for that.
No problem. You can. And both of you did in pair, Balvinder and you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's
Same,
brilliant,
ma'am.
Sahaj. That's brilliant. Round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am.
And who else is here? Aryan is very happy. He's wow, wow, wow. बलविंदर जी आप आ गए हम आपको ढूंढ रहे थे आप किधर थे
सॉरी मैम, मैं ना नींद लग गई थी तो सोया हुआ था।
कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं. Because three people have uploaded their link in the GitHub, Balwinder, Ayush and Sehaj. Rest सब सो रहे थे. अनिल, आपका क्या हुआ बेटा? अनिल, अगर आप कर नहीं पाए हो तो कर लेना दोबारा. It's not the end of the earth. The time. Even Ganga, you too. और बाकी आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट बनाया है किसने? गंगा ने बनाया है? आपने लिंक क्यों नहीं अपडेट करते? हमें पता ही नहीं था. बनाया आपने? चलिए आप
वो
दिखाइए.
लिंक डालना भूल गया, अभी डाल रहा हूँ।
कोई नहीं, दिखाओ 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 भैया.
And for me, all the projects are amazing.
Yay! Thank you, Aryan. All the Didi Bhaiyas are amazing.
Yes, because I have never made and never seen this type of projects.
Yeah.
So hard coding.
So hard coding. You can also do, Aryan.
Yes, but when
You did so much today. You printed lots of stuff. Aryan was today beating the computer. He was like, I will beat the Python. So he was trying all the numbers to beat him.
yes,
Yeah. Import random while one. So what are you doing? Ganga, can you explain your project?
यस मैम, नंबर गेसिंग गेम मैम कोड करा मैंने.
अच्छा.
मैम इसमें इनपुट से लोअर बाउंड और अपर बाउंड करेंगे,
हम्म.
फिर उसके बाद स्टार्ट मतलब कोड करके गेम स्टार्ट होगा. और उस हिसाब से मतलब जितना आप जैसे अपर बाउंड उतना मतलब हाई रखोगे तो उतना गेम वो हार्ड होगा.
अच्छा.
और 10 चांसेस, बस इसमें ये नहीं कर पाया कि चांसेस का थोड़ा इशू हो गया. मैं 10 चांसेस ही मतलब 10 चांसेस में ही करनी है गेम आपको कंप्लीट.
हम्म.
चांसेस का मैं सोच रहा था कि जिस हिसाब से लेवल हो उस हिसाब से ही चांसेस भी मिलने चाहिए, बट वो हो नहीं पाया.
हम्म.
ओनली 10 चांसेस आ गए.
और आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? तो आपका मतलब whatever you have done you were able to accomplish ना, जो आपने डिसाइड किया था
यस
अपने.
मैम, यस मैम, मैम बस वो चांसेस ही नहीं हो पाई, बाकी तो हो गए. मैम
तो
रन करके दिखा.
हाँ जी. Do you
मैम
want to
दिख रही है
play?
वो.
Yes. Yes, I can see. Do you want to play? Yes.
यस
Welcome to the number game. Let's start. Enter the lower bound 5, upper bound 30. You have got 10 chances to guess the mode easy. It's automatically selected.
नो नो मैम. मैम यस मैम, वो अगर अपर बाउंड इसके हिसाब से मोड मैंने ऑपरेट करा, मतलब जितना
Can we
ज़्यादा
see
होगा
the
उतना
code?
हार्ड होगा.
Can we see the code?
यस मैम.
Can we see the
Yes,
code like how the mode is easy? I could not understand.
यस
So you are saying if the upper bound is less than 100. अच्छा 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 अच्छा. The upper bound is more than. Okay, 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 okay. Okay,
मैम,
cool.
अभी 3 ही मोड.
Another feature. Brilliant. हाँ. Run, run, run. कहाँ गया ये? हाँ. Guess a number. 29. Okay, somewhere 25.
हो
Wow.
गया मैम. यस
Oh, to try. I'm so amazing. क्या बात है? Okay, cool. That's nice. And in the code, you have only used a random function to generate the random number for the guessing.
यस
And what do you mean by while one? Can you use while true? You have used while one in the bracket.
यस यस मैम, ट्रू भी कर सकते हैं वो.
So why did you use
Yes,
the
yes.
while one? Or true?
नहीं मैम, ट्रू भी हो जाएगा. वन मतलब वन पता था तो वन ही, मतलब उसमें भी ट्रू केस में वन में भी ट्रू ही होगा.
Means?
मैम जैसे अगर ये ट्रू जाएगा तो हमेशा पूछेगा कि डू यू वांट टू प्ले. अगर यस करते हो तो आपका मेन कोड चलता है,
Hmm.
अगर नो करते हो तो मतलब लूप से ब्रेक हो जाएगा.
एंड करो।
ये वाइल लूप इसलिए करा है कि ताकि मतलब वो डू यू वांट टू प्ले वाला जो है,
हाँ,
मतलब उसको जब भी मतलब वो बार बार पूछे, ऐसा नहीं हो कि बस एक ही बार पूछ के फिर हो जाए।
अच्छा
जैसे ये एक बार गेम कंप्लीट हुई, उसने एंड में दोबारा पूछा खेलना कि नहीं,
अच्छा।
उस हिसाब से फिर वाइल का ट्रू करना पड़ा। से नो करा तो ब्रेक हो गया, थैंक यू सी यू अगेन। अगर
ओके,
यस करता तो दोबारा चल जाती गेम।
so you have put a if and elif block for that also. अगर yes दे रहा है user और n दे रहा है user, so how the block will react? You could have said that I have put a if and else block. Okay, simple as that. Nice. And how do you think that you can upgrade your this game? How can you upgrade this?
System according to the upper bound and the
Hmm.
level,
Like how can you level up?
चांसेस
Are you
चांसेस ज्यादा,
satisfied with
चांसेस
your
अपर बाउंड के हिसाब से होनी चाहिए इस कोड में।
means?
मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोअर एंड अपर बाउंड
हाँ.
द कोड विल जनरेट द अकॉर्डिंग, मतलब चांसेस।
अच्छा, वो तो फिर आप वो तो फॉर्मुलेट कर सकते हो उसके लिए.
ये एंड द गेम स्कोर दैट आई हैव नॉट पुट।
Game score, Sehaj was able to do that. All right. That's the question from me. Aditya, do you have any query?
No, we are good to go. Good one, Ganga.
Yeah, it's a good book, Ganga. Yeah.
थैंक यू।
Wow. Upload this in the GitHub.
यस मैम, अभी
Yeah. और अपना comment लिख दो. This project is made by Ganga Singh. This made is by जैसे सहज ने और बलविंदर ने लिखा है अपना नाम. कॉपीराइट होना चाहिए ना. मतलब कोई कॉपी करे तो उसके पास उतना तो रहे भैया कॉपी करने के लिए.
यस।
That's good. That's good. Oh, brilliant. And who else we are having here? Oren is giving thumbs up. Yes, Oren. Yeah. He's so pumped up. Oh, that's amazing. All right. We have Ishfaq here. Hello, Ishfaq. How are you all?
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई एम गुड, व्हाट अबाउट यू ऑल? तो
So
मुझे
nice.
मैं एक्चुअल में बाहर गया था, मुझे थोड़ा सा काम था तभी लेट हुआ।
कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं. We all have showcased our projects, and I really like that. Before we end the session, I really want to give you a lot of thanks. And Aditya is launching, me and Aditya were launching a new course in data science. And Aditya itself is a data scientist from past 2 years working in a logistic company. So, Aditya, do you want to brief about that?
Hi guys. As Hina has introduced myself, so I just want to add on something that in the nearby future, data is very much important, and understanding the data and working with the data is an important part for all over us. Like if you are working in any of the sector, is either in financial, in either in the marketing, in either in the logistics, understanding the data and working with the data is very much important, and prediction is now the future of art. So we are looking forward to launching the new courses, which is data science and machine learning. Hope you will get a good chance to learn data science and machine learning stuff.
And we are using Python to teach that. So you have
Yes.
already got a good brief about the Python, and there will be first will be the preparatory step. Already basics is done. So advanced, like exception handling, how the OOPS concept is applied in the we didn't learn the classes and all, how to create your own library. So a lot of things are there in the Python. You can learn that in that course. So if you are interested, do stay with us. We'll soon release all the dates. And if